Hey there! Today, we're diving into a project where we'll use CodeMate to create an Arduino project. For this, we'll utilize two CodeMate tools. First up is CodeMate C0, and the other one is called CORA. Let's begin with CodeMate C0. You can see its interface here, so let's head over to the official UnoQ website. To build our knowledge base, we're going to visit the GitHub repository. From the repository, we can download the zip file to our local system. After downloading, we need a specific file related to UnoQ. There's a particular folder here that contains all the contents related to UnoQ. Now, we'll return to VS Code. Within CodeMate C0, it includes knowledge bases, which serve as a comprehensive dataset holding information about a specific subject. For instance, I'll add a knowledge base related to UnoQ. I'll click on Create New and choose a specific folder. Let's navigate to the Downloads folder. Yes, here is the original Docs Uno main content folder that I downloaded from GitHub. I'll select it. You'll notice there are numerous options to choose from. We can check and uncheck according to what we need for the knowledge base. We'll select everything here. For instance, if we don't want the gitignore file, we can uncheck it and check it again to ensure it's included. In the user manual, within the Assets section, we might decide we don't need any PNGs in that specific knowledge base. All unnecessary items are unchecked here by default. Here's a particular PDF that's not checked, so let's check it. Users can always adjust their preferences on what and how to add to the knowledge base. All right, let's start by changing the name here. I'll set it to Uno_Q knowledge base for now. Now I'll click on Create. C0 is starting to build the knowledge base right from the folder. You can see the knowledge base is now ready. Next, I'll create a new chat option, and here I can tag a specific knowledge base using the @ symbol. Let's select the knowledge base we've just set up, and then I'll ask, what is UnoQ? C0 will analyze this and review what's in the knowledge base, grasp the context, and respond in seconds. You'll see how it interprets and processes the information. Here, it offers a concise summary on how Arduino UnoQ operates. It details use cases, hardware specs, and the significance of UnoQ, all derived from that specific knowledge base. This illustrates how the C0 of CodeMate functions. Now, let's say a user wants to write code. CORA can handle that too. It offers two modes. The first is Architect mode and the second is Agent mode. Let's choose Architect mode and focus on creating a project related to IoT devices. I'll ask CORA to draft a program. We'll need an Arduino program that utilizes Arduino UnoQ. It's for an object detection system combined with an ultrasonic sensor. I'll provide a simple prompt to CORA in Architect mode. CORA jumps into action, ready to understand your project's needs. It might ask questions to provide the best solution. For instance, it wants to know which specific ultrasonic sensor we plan to use for object detection. Let's choose the simplest option, the HC-SR04 sensor. It's commonly used in IoT projects and will suit our needs perfectly. Next, let's set up our project to turn on an LED indicator and print the distance on the serial monitor. We'll need to decide the distance threshold that will trigger the LED to blink. We'll opt for a medium range, say a 30-centimeter difference from the ultrasonic sensor, to trigger the LED. CORA, which was previously in Architect mode, now seeks approval to switch to Agent mode to start writing code. You'll notice that Agent mode is activated now. In Agent mode, CORA creates an INO file for the project. It proceeds to write the code to implement this project. Let's save the file. CORA also provides a wiring diagram, ensuring that the practical implementation goes smoothly. Additionally, it creates a test calibration markdown file to assist with the process. Let's go ahead and hit save to ensure all our changes are preserved. CORA will update the to-do list as well. This is where we finalize the readme.markdown file. CORA also provides an overview of the core components created for this project, which aids in a better understanding of what's been developed. Now we can navigate to C0 by CodeMate. We'll create a new chat, and again, we use the @ symbol to add a specific file. Let's choose our object detection system, project file. I'll ask C0 to break down the different functions for us. Once we hit enter, C0 understands what needs explaining. You'll notice it lays out all the key functions clearly. These functions are part of the object detection system file. Additionally, it explains how ultrasonic sensor measures distance. That wraps it up for CORA and C0 by CodeMate. Thank you everyone for tuning in.